viewers, subscribers, Nesbeth road manager drop out. We're gonna talk about it. But before we jump into the video, check out this music video here.
Skill to me killing sweet. Press the case up on me shoulder, make it dump you like a man cliff. Man, I get run over like a stampede. Them full of
This music video here was by an artist by the name of Tenn and produced by Better Than Records. From come talk about a song specifically and a music video, of course it must have substance, right? And that we do. We come talk the truth, my people. So watch you know, we want to check out this artist here, Tenn, and the music video. The link will be in the description. Also, my people, you know me, I give my 2 cents on it because I can't just come make uno no for go watch a video and me no give the honest opinion pan the face. Me don't know about nobody else, but for me personally, me like when artists have talent, and once you have talent, you gotta highlight it. And also, my viewers, subscribers, this track here and music video was produced by Better Than Records. Prominent producer coming to the game right now. I want to pay a close eye to this producer. My people, let's talk more about the music video. So, from the start of the video, you know that this is of quality. You get me? And time we see music video, it don't really have no substance. It don't really have nothing behind it. It come like it's just a man have an idea and say, yeah, when I'm gonna film this music video and then put some little money in it. You see, it really low budget and not the quality. But you see, with this one here, this is totally different. Like the quality, the man say, yo, me, you way me really want to dope it. Me I go as far as use a Google map to check your phone. My viewers, subscribers, watch you know, I want to check out this music video here. I'm gonna pin the link in the description below. Also, be free to leave a comment over there and make them know say you're watching, or make them know say yo, I just vibe here to send them people. You see it? But watch now, let's move on to the actual video, my people. Yo, Janu. Yo, one man can't assault my people. One man cannot assault. And if you don't know the history of Nesbeth, you would know say yo, Nesbeth have been through a lot, my people. Like a whole heap the man got through, a whole heap the man got through. The man wife drop out, the man house burned down. You see it? Producer fight him. Yo, now for a year say yo, him road manager drop out by violence. My people, yo, like you see that life, God's not really give a man more than what them can bear. But me personally believe say yo, sometimes a man just can't take it no more, can't bear no more. That's what me believe. You get me? Because when I first hear the news, me just say yo, Janu, I wish Nesbeth, I must a different Nesbeth. But when me get the video now, me I say yo, Janu, no Nesbeth manager that. You get me? And then me see the dog come talk about it and I say yo, watch them road manager just drop out. You get me? Some people, first and foremost, my condolences goes out to his road manager, our manager, family and friends. You get me? And also Nesbeth, he's going through a really hard time right now, my people. You get me? And me no believe say yo, nobody in a life deserve this. A whole heap the man got you, whole heap. Me nah go lie. You get me? And if you've been following up Nesbeth career from the get-go until now, you would have actually know say yo, a whole heap this one man I got you, you know. There are a point up to now when I really hear the music from him, or him do music, but then not really to connect like one time. You get me, people? So it's still unclear as to the motive as to what caused the shooting. All I can say is that it's not a good look, my people. It appears based on the video that I'm watching, I was watching rather. You get me? It appears that if he was in his car front seat and our men just pull up on him, you get me, and start fire shot. You see it? Multiple shot wounds to the face. You know that's not a pretty sight, my viewers, subscribers. Wish we could actually show the video. Like literally show the video on YouTube. But you know the thing they go now go work. And if you're interested, you can link me in my DM. Link will also be in the description as you've always been doing. We don't have a problem for share the video, my people. I'll reply to as much people as I can, my people. You see, but it's just a sad look. You get me? Like, remember, my people, from this corona thing I started now, whole heap of hardship I got you. Like, remember, people after I watch the virus, but people still say RIP to violence. You get me? And remember I said earlier, you know, I don't know the motive behind the shooting, because you have some people who them think because I come cover a story, them expect if you know what really happened, why them do this, why them do that. You get me? But me leave that to the detective them. You get me? It's part of the music fraternity, so you know where I come talk about it. Represent the game, the music, of course. So we have to come talk about it. And my viewers, subscribers, but Nesbeth really needs some guidance right now and some prayers. Like, remember me tell you, so the man been through a lot of people. You see it, and while a lot of people will not understand because they're not in the same shoes as the artist, you get me, you have to show some sympathy to me, because it can be anybody. It can be even one of your family member them. You see it, and trust me, it is needed right now. So wanting to give the artist the support. You get me, and again, condolences goes out to the manager. Heard that he was actually a good youth. You see it, good youth. And I know him a child with Nesbeth. Long before Nesbeth get the bus, and they tore them apart all over. Them tore all about. Whole heap of youth him help. You get me? So we can't say them things here and not come talk about it. But you know, of course, good people still drop out same way. You get me? And it come like, based on what me I see, and statistics, facts show say almost, it come like most good people drop out. You get me? Good people help people. You see it. It go forever stay so still, but it's a sad case, sad story, my people. You see, like when me hear, me couldn't even believe. Cause me I say, yo, this man was no bun down one day, and him wife drop out too. So yo, what makes so much things I reach this man here? You get me, like, why? Like, the dog need to seek some help. Me don't know, like, who in I'm corner. Like, me can tell us here this man here not gonna be the same. You see it, and him need some psychological help, because one can go through so much, but how much him can endure. Him can't take no more, you see it? And yeah, big man do cry and go through a whole heap. It might not show, but deep down, when a man na feel one corner, him have a psychological breakdown, if you don't know. You see it? So me again send out my condolences goes out to the manager's family, and also Nesbeth. You get me? Hope my take it easy right now, because trust me, it's not a good look, my people. You see it? But what we want to do, you see it, if you now watch this video here, you see it, like, keep Nesbeth in our prayers. You see it, like, show him in the support. You get me? Just send a one prayer up for him, because he might go through a hard time right now. Like, literally, I watch the man's status and our post. The man kinda in a breakdown. The man kinda in shock. You see it, it's happy that nothing to do Nesbeth, or he wasn't actually with the manager at the time of the incident. But you know him gonna still feel the same way, because somebody close to him. Might not be a family member, but you know there's something that go when somebody's really close to you. You see it? So again, condolences goes out. And also my viewers, subscribers, remember to check out the music video that I pin in the description below by Tenn. You get me, contract killing, and make them know, say, yo, me sending over there if you no wish to share a comment, right, my people? But sad news while we combat this COVID-19 crisis. Also have to try stay safe, look over our shoulders, them, and ensure, say, yo, we good same way, because man still a drop by gunshot, see my viewers, subscribers. But until next time, just vibes, you know. I'm out.